Timima and attacker. Now we name the no but you look at the variables. And human being ACC democracy under attack. Me can say better for your firebrand pan and corner the kitchen. The way if you say Fox FM Casana for much for Momba Boom Fox FM. What they say? They say when they complain, no. We won't complain, no. Studio.
Now why is mine?
Studio. And as a wound to me, I sign of Kufado.
Okay, so to me in
a so one day no please no condom one because I'm in one finished business be. Hey, oh yeah, I'm telling you, Kebesh. The way plan no abaya bono bad na kusi one day one in America. Na Kebesh so. But see, Yen why no na say o mo kase democracy and attack ehemfo me am tese nya Ghana for na NPP for NPP for your selected individuals here o me my bofo no mo pese o man ebebo no mo use some loopholes in the constituency edidi bone o na NPP for. That's the definition of an NPP. Na Ghana for na nkase to abama John Dramani Mahama no enkase Ghana under attack. And that's where my happiness is. So it means the majority of Ghanaians, if we say democracy and attack, NPP a minority, so based on 88, 87 MPs, or plus less than 40%. Omono na ekase esi ya no. Almost 57% say democracy and attack. And whenever the majority speaks here, mwama kenya esi mwama no. Enti me, womo commentary ni omo enya dia ehame bebre. Ba enhwe ade. One a comprehensive democracy under attack no. Pacho kaka. Okay, circumstances kaka uye. Sankrofo we no na democracy under attack. So okay. Okay, wa uni akwamna bo bi answer. Okay no. Studio say ya. Na me ne kasa nka be. Me na na studio. Ya ponsi form wa come ne befa. Ya befa bo bi answer ko chim. Adan ya o say ensase sem bi a amanfo na be first lady din wom. And that first lady may no. Then you be found to she meet dinner police station, Nima police station at their chair. Computer didn't call na court who says seven previous Yansen Yaman beam refi. But your man be notice a case almost was to be. Debbie Sankrofu and NFS democracy and attack no. I wouldn't Captain Smart how many times. So you see. Okay, Gregoria Foko. Gregoria Foko kai.
Yeah.
Court say. Asemna mudi di abrantie no se be mpedi asa na mra kwa so. The court say mo money bill. NPP for NPP aban dina so say ni attorney general da no dina so say omunyi abrantie ne da. In fact, the High Court cited the then IGP appointed by Akufo-Addo contempt when see court to her. Court of competent jurisdiction cited the then IGP say adena mudi di abrante ni namra kwan so enti wo me say yina so nyina mema cite of contempt IGP so nko sabre na kese mko demonstration cause eno and Chelsea democracy one arm of the government say who disrespect no bluntly Chelsea no Chelsea democracy under attack. Sabra Greg dem feel so much. Moko demonstration. Se son de no nipa. Wo yetani. Nti bibia ye na nyahwe. And these are the same people and omo complaining. But I'm asking say, can you sit unconcerned and live under an unregulated social media? You bet me answer. Is that not threat to national security? And not threat to your democracy? Say social media nti obi agira so ka de opa yenya no no nkasa no nko na na eche say practice democracy really o ma be mu na yesa. You want to tell me say in US social media comment ya arrest? Is that what you are telling me? No. So what is the basics? What are the elements? What are the variables of mujan so ka say the democracy and I say bro format so be kan see na mo so mo kan be. There. The fiber of my discourse way adenya Said you want to me go to prison. Ah, minya. Want to me, Pacho, NPP didn't go prison. NDC didn't go prison. See, I could be power what woman NPP. Want to me go prison. Can NPP for? Yes. Say no, you watching any. Because the NPP own minister, last minister, and they can't the people, pen people so cast want to be a galamsey. But also okay.
Yeah.
And one and I could for cast and no crown want to be a galamsey that. And the one they can't want to me quite do so a galamsey. So I don't know. NPP Adeba Mbatanase, no master say, no matter one said there be a day way dear. See, did this say dear Conquesham do in your party. I strongly believe, say, Cast Munya Madison about me, president. And Mumu question them what Modernus said, Papano, Mumini pass on your president.
Sir,
I mean, said Domu dear. It's obvious. It's obvious. Some of your Madison upon one say, on your president. Look at what Afenyo Markins did. And it's a threat of the MPPs. Okay, be here, Professor Jena no Pokwajiman. Chairman so MPP.
What did Afenyo do?
Chairman, Nisu MPP. So Benya Oba, the credentials, and Martin, Professor Jena no Pokwajiman. As to tell the wound to mean the then majority leader. State Chairman Sabunsu Ekafano. Afenyo how you say, I don't know, President Mama, some of us or major petition. Nisa wakenya, that's the conclusion. Oh God. Only Momo Kasa won't tell you, but you need to decode. Omokasa, me. Yes, you need to decode them. As soon as your markings can you understand that President Mama answer my bear, no small bass or magic. Ah, when Mama and the demonstration, the then deputy chief of staff, deputy chief of staff, Sandogwe, Amaje, what is some complaining? But what here? They didn't complain. They complained because of Banabeji. But when you live with people who believe, say, I dare for so or bass one sound and that's how they behave. Let me just say, man, sorry. Because they are back where they are. Look at the impunity I'm exercise here and the government and Sanko Free to make home. Yet pilot, yet court Saturday, Friday, Supreme Court on Thursday, near Penal Supreme Court. I'm after the markets. Who wants the democracy under attack? Minia, I'm a more ben far corner Ghana for their tomb. And the Fourth Republic, Etienne Amamua, Ira John Dramani Mahame. But you see, but you must say, because ensure the old qua. A high be a crop is so soon. You are not dressed a high be a beam. Oh, what's not Mamoon, Mamma, moon? There's a fault to be a man of Medinaso. Scandal be a Maye. And to me be being Naso. And I take it to a beton so my bosom in now. So what couldn't you adjourn woman nowadays? But the kid to a bit was when you had to be home. That's the reaction of the NPP. I understand them. Opposition terminal see on the data 8 years old. Hey yo!
Let's weird say what you got.
That be me tell say opposition China ya Musaba be say me tell the 8 years. Hey yo!
Okay, but
what you say? Hey yo! Opposition China enya dey that for mo. Enti mo prepare my mind because mo travel 80 no. And see the move to the Canada, mo be bre. I did 5,000 meters. I will come now 100 meters. O be bre within 1 minute. Timoto mobo. When Kamucha be 8 years old, position 12 years, the master tell me, oh, the body are me and Yamra. Because they're more than there. But I'm telling you, say, it's a gun of forgery matter. I was telling them demonstration of Fefren from bombs, you didn't integrate a hole. You see a cherry monacha. And Yamra may be no. When you the crop. Won't you videos? Oh, videos in your what's all that because I said the rate about it. Well, you the crop. And to me, Messeremo. Yet a children of mine. Or mine yet a children. Some combatant no much say constitutional provisions be. Ira John Daman Mahama Busso. Attorney General Fanya Juma. We want Fanya Juma. Yet she won't to me near Fanango court. And or that's the police cell. And you see a man bill, you see a man bill. And what they announced, no democracy is under attack. But their Chinipan appeared court of competent jurisdiction. I'm a ruling na chese yewura no Ghana asase a wase no ye nyama no fa no huni entoko da fiase ya ma the maximum sentence impo ya man 20 years pe so onkonko dem. Why do you complain? Demonstration but I don't fall to go demonstration there. A civil right. Constitution ma kwai. But so kwa any man who just dey go demonstration no and who here we come makobo Ghana police kwa. BBM asoma mo. Mo be drug na your park akese bibiri. You can do it holistically. Problem be eba. Minia. If you am dey na me there. Emfa o. Ghana for need the horses here.
Oh, me jogging. It's a jogging. I'm going.
But that's what it is. What else? All right. Chema bugamo ni abrata se. Kadro munti. Na de ba familia. Etini de mejidi se. Democracy and attack in their slogan. Who's NPP slogan? Ne dia toso. Ne different slogan na e ba be yes eye no krase. O tactics.
I see.
Democracy yeah size is here media. Your amount for motor radio so worse than the way mokeka no. But me by chance for yanchin because me asema me can be na ku for them say no krase meka. Into betimi enye yeko so betimi evidence beba.
Okay.
Into ntimi ncheme. Na mo so wo twa toro e kan sem a ebema yoya aboma nmu dia. Media. Democracy so makwan say so wo ye de famra kwan so a emra ni udi.
Amante Nkasa Community Bank Limited and